Today we're doing 5GO 4.1. Okay, let's begin. On number 2, it asks 1 times 30 equals. Well, we know any number times 1 equals that number. So our answer is 30. But in this case, it asks, what is 1/10 times 30? Well, as we learned in class, if you were to multiply 30 by 1, you would still get the number 30. However, you must acknowledge that there is at least one number behind the decimal point. In other words, our decimal point was moved over one space to the left. So therefore, our answer is actually 3 0/10. Okay? Well, how do we know? Well, let's multiply. 30 times 1/10, that's 0, that's 3. Okay? And because we have one number behind the decimal point, it would go here. Okay? That's how we know. Well, in this case, we have two numbers. So we remove our decimal point, 1, 2, and therefore our value is 30 hundredths. Okay? Because what we're saying is how many hundreds are in 30. Okay? All right. So that's what happens. 30 divided by 1/100th, and we have 30. Okay? Moving forward, let's take a look at number 4. 390 times 1 is 390. Okay? 390 times 1/10. Okay? Then that is 39.0. What we did is one number, we move it once. Here, 390 times 1/100th, we move it how many times? 1, 2, the decimal point, 1, 2. So that is our answer. Let's look at number 6. 1 times 9,670, 9,670. But 1/10 of that, we move the decimal point, 967.0. 1/100th of it, 1, 2, is 96.70. Okay? Let's look at number 8. We recognize that 10 to the 0 power is 1. So that's 1 times 10 is equal to 10. We recognize that 10 to the first power is 10. So 10 times 10 equals 100. We acknowledge that 10 to the second power is 100. So that 100 times 10 is 1,000. And we acknowledge that 10 to the third power is 1,000. So times 10 would be 10,000. Okay? Let's look at number 10. Number 10, Nathan plants equal size squares of sod in his front yard. Each square has an area of 6 square feet. Nathan plants a total of 1,000 squares in his yard. What is the total area of the sod, squares of sod? So if he has 6 and he planted 1,000 of them, okay, so then the total area would be 6,000. Okay? See you in the morning. Bye.